Okay, this is a session for Algebra 1, lesson 2.03. And we're going to go over a few problems here that will be some of the things that are in this unit, as well as some of the things that are on the quiz for 2.03. The first question is, choose the value for x that makes the open sentence true, given that x is either 0, 1, 2, or 3. So we have this equation down here, this inequality actually, where we know that 7 times 2 minus 4x plus x squared must be less than or equal to x cubed plus x minus 1. And since we're given values for x, we're going to plug each of those in and see which ones make the statement true. So we'll take it from this table. Here's my values for x in this column. We always know that it has to be less than or equal to. We're going to figure out if this first half, what it equals when x is 0. Then we'll figure out what the second half equals when x is 0. And then we'll decide whether it's true or false and figure out which one of these makes the statement true. Okay. So if x is 0, I'm going to have 7 times 2 minus 4 times 0 plus 0 squared. Now, 0 squared is 0, 4 times 0 is 0, so this is just 14. Over here, 0 cubed plus 0 minus 1 will give us negative 1, and 14 is not less than or equal to negative 1, so this is false. We plug in 1, we'll get 7 times 2 minus 4 times 1 plus 1 squared. Following order of operations, we can multiply first, so that's 14 minus 4 plus 1. Actually, we do the exponent first, and 1 squared is just 1. 14 minus 4 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Over here, 1 cubed plus 1 minus 1 is 1 plus 1 minus 1, which is 1. 11 is not less than or equal to 1. That's false. For 2, 7 times 2 is 4 times 2 plus 2 squared gives us 14 minus 8 plus 4. 14 minus 8 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10. Over here, 2 cubed plus 2 minus 1 is 8 plus 2 minus 1. 8 plus 2 is 10, minus 1 is 9. 10 is not less than or equal to 9. So we hope the last one is going to work, or we have a problem. 7 times 2 minus 4 times 3 plus 3 squared is 14 minus 12 plus 27. Sorry, 3 squared is 9. I was doing 3 cubed. 14 minus 12 is 2, and 2 plus 9 is 11. 3 cubed plus 3 minus 1 is 27 plus 3 minus 1. 30 minus 1 is 29. 11 is less than or equal to 29. So that is true. So the answer here is x equals 3. Now, if you were doing this in a quiz and you had the multiple choice like this, if you find one that works, I would suggest you continue to check the others just in case you made a mistake for the one that worked. Alright. Next question. Which of these symbols, greater than, less than, equal to, less than, or equals, will make this sentence true for x equals 7? So all we really want to do is figure out what symbol goes right here. So we're going to go ahead and plug in a 7 for x, because they gave us that. And then we'll simplify. Parentheses first. 7 minus 5 is 2. Exponents first, so we square that, and 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16, compared to 14. 16 is bigger than, so the symbol is greater than. So that's the answer to that one. So just plug in the value for x and simplify each side if necessary, and see what you come up with. For the last question, we have a statement that says Nicole has $95 to buy CDs and DVDs. If she buys 4 CDs for $9.75 each and DVDs are $13.50 each, how many DVDs can she buy? So we already know that she's bought 4 CDs at $9.75. So if we multiply 4 times $9.75, we will find out that that is $39. So far, out of the 95, she's already spent 39. Which means she has $56 left. Now there's 2 ways to figure out the number of DVDs. You could either say 56 divided by 1350, and that comes out to be about 4.1. Now, she can't buy 0.1 of a DVD, so you just take the whole number portion, and the answer would be she could buy 4 DVDs. And she'll actually have a little bit of money left over, because that's where the 0.1 came. If you don't like the dividing, or if you want to see another way to look at this, you just figure out how much it would cost. 1 DVD is $13.50. 2 DVDs would be $13.50 plus $13.50, or $27. 3 DVDs would be another $13.50, which would be $40.50. Remember, she has 56. 4 DVDs would cost $54, and 5 DVDs would cost $67.50. Sorry about that number 4, I couldn't read my notes. So she has $56, so she can't get this many, so she can get 4. And with this method, we'll know that she has exactly $2 left over, because she spent 54. But the answer to this question would be she could buy 4 DVDs. So hopefully those are a little bit helpful. That's how you do some of the things in section 2.03. Just remember that when you're doing questions like this, you're just going to simplify each side. And when you're doing questions like this, you're going to plug in each of the answers and see which one makes it work. That's the easiest way to make sure you're doing things right. Just remember to plug them all in. Okay, I hope this has been helpful, and that is it.